Good morning, students. Now let's talk about the features of joint stock companies. The first feature we have is the company is an artificial person. Now, artificial person means that company has been created by law and has its own individual identity, which is different from its members. That means company can sign contract in its own name. Company can hold property. Company can buy or sell any property in its own name, and company can take loans from the bank. Company can also sue anybody, can take anybody to the court, and anybody can sue the company. But company is not a natural person. Not natural person means the company cannot walk, talk, or breathe like a human being, but still it has its own different identity from the human being. So that's the first feature. The second is separate legal entity. So we have discussed that it is necessary for you to get your company incorporated. Incorporated means registered. So once you get the company registered, the company acquires a separate legal entity. Separate legal entity means that the company's assets, the company's liabilities will be of the company, not of the shareholders. So assume kar lijiye, you have invested in Reliance Industries, you have purchased shares of Reliance Industries, so you are the owner of Reliance Industry. You want loan for some personal reasons. Now you cannot mortgage the property of Reliance Industries for your own personal need, because that is not your asset, that is the asset of the company. The third feature we have is the formation. सो हमने डिस्कस किया दैट सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में और पार्टनरशिप में फॉर्मेशन बहुत सिंपल रहता है, बिकॉज देर इज़ नॉट मच लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ इन्वॉल्व. लेकिन कंपनीज फॉर्मेशन इज़ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस, इट इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, एंड एट दिस all above that it is very complicated because there are several legal documents that have to be made, and there are several legal formalities that have to be complied with, that have to be fulfilled. So registration compulsory hai under Companies Act 2013. It is written Companies Act 1956, that was the previous law, but the new law is Companies Act 2013. So registration compulsory ho jata hai, so formation becomes very difficult. The fourth feature we have is perpetual succession. Now, perpetual succession means that the company has continuity. Members may come and members may go, but the company goes on forever. A company is created by law. लॉ ने कंपनी को क्रिएट किया है, एंड ओनली लॉ कैन ब्रिंग अ कंपनी टू एन एंड. सो जब तक कोर्ट ऑर्डर नहीं करेगा तब तक कंपनी बंद नहीं हो सकती. दैट मीन्स कंपनी कैन नॉट बी वाउंड अप till the time the court tells the company to wind up. So you have heard the examples of Sahara Business Group, and you have heard the example of Kingfisher. So court ordered them to close down their business, to shut their business, only then their business was shut. So these are the first four features. The next features will be continued in the next audio.